ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. Ashhadu Allah ilaha illallahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. Ashhadu Allah ilaha illallahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. I testify that there is no God except Allah Almighty. I testify that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is last and final prophet of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah Almighty, till the day of judgment. I testify that there is no God except Allah Almighty. I testify that Muhammad, peace be upon him, is last and final prophet of Allah Almighty till the day of judgment. I believe in all prophets and messengers, included Jesus, Moses, Jacob, Joseph, David, Abraham, Ishmael, Ishaq, Adam, all prophets of Allah Almighty. I believe in all divine books revealed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah Almighty. I believe in the day of judgment. I believe all teachings of Islam. Alhamdulillah. Now congratulations, you are now the part of Muslim community. Allah Almighty has chosen you for Islam. Right now you are the beloved person of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on the face of earth, because you accepted Islam. You are right now on the right path, and Almighty Allah has removed and has forgiven all your previous sins, though the chart of your deeds are very clean. And this blessed movement is very blissful for our community as well. And I welcome you to the Muslim community. I welcome you to the Karam Islamic Center, Brooklyn, New York. This masjid, this Islamic center, this Islamic school welcome you.